Hey there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I am going to explain you how you can create the Lambda layer. So without wasting time, let's get started. So as you can see, I am on the AWS console, and so firstly we are going to create the Lambda function. So first you need to search here Lambda, then click on it. So as you can see, I don't have any Lambda function, so I am going to create one here. So for that, I am going to click on this create function button. So let's click it. So then I am going to select author from scratch, and then I will give the function name test lambda layer. Then I'm going to select runtime. Here I will select Python 3.11. If you want other versions, you can select. Then I will keep architecture. Then I will not change anything and just click on this create function button. So as you can see, our lambda function is created successfully. So now let's test it. So I will click on this test button. Then we need to create one event. Let's set test event. We don't need to change anything here. Then just click on save it. Now we can test it. So as you can see, we got the status code 200 and hello from lambda. So we have the written dictionary here which has status code and the body which says hello from lambda, and we got the output as status code 200 and hello from lambda. So our code ran successfully. So now we want more functionalities. For that we need other python packages. For that we need to create a layer. So let's say we need python-docx package. So I will directly import the package, import docs. Okay, then I will save it and deploy it. Then just click on test button. So as you can see, we got the error unable to import module lambda function error. So we got the error. So how can we resolve it? We need to create a layer which has the package python-docx. So for that, just go to your file explorer. Here create one folder, new folder, and give it name as a python. Okay, so we have created python folder. Okay, now we are going to install python-docx package inside this python folder. So let's open this python folder. Now just click here and type cmd and press the enter. So as you can see, we have opened the command prompt. Now we need to run one command which will install the python-docx package. First let's check the python version here. Python version. So as you can see, I have Python 3.11 version. So now I am going to install the Python package. For that you need to use one command. Remember one thing here, if you use directly pip install command, that will not going to work because you may face some issues while creating lambda layer. So use the command which I will provide in the description so that you will not face any type of issues. So this is the command I am going to use for installing the Python package. Here you need to change two things. First, this python version, whatever version you are going to use, just change it to it. So I have Python 3.11, so I will make it Python 3.11, and I need the package python-docx. So this is the package which is need to be installed. If you want to install multiple packages, then you just need to give space and let's say numpy. If you want more packages, then you just need to give space and then name of the package. So in that way you can install multiple packages. So for now I don't want numpy, I just need python-docx. So now let's copy this command and paste it on command prompt and press enter. As you can see, it started installing. Okay, so our package is installed. Let's check the python folder. So as you can see, inside the python folder we have the docs package. So now We need this Python folder as a zip folder. So what we are going to do, we select this Python folder and is the right click on it and select compress to zip file. So we have the zip folder. I will give name to this folder as a docs layer, docs hyphen layer. Okay, so we have the zip folder now. We are going to use this zip folder to create the Lambda layer. So now let's go to Lambda function on these three lines and then click on the layer. I will right click and open and click on open in new tab. As you can see, I don't have any layer, so I'm going to click on this create layer. I will give name as a docs layer. Okay, so here we have two function. One is upload a zip file and other one is upload a file from Amazon S3. So remember one thing, if your zip file size is more than 50 MB, then it's better to upload that file to Amazon S3. If your file size is less than 50, then you can directly upload. But if your file size is more than 50 MB, then just upload it to the S3. So let's check our file size. So our file size is nearly 6 MB. So we can directly upload that file. So let's go to, so I'm going to click on this upload button. And I will select this docs.zip zip folder. Open it. What will happen if we upload file to Amazon S3? We just need to give the path of that zip folder here. We are not going to use this, so I'm going to upload the file. As you can see, the docs.zip zip folder is already uploaded. Let's select both the architecture. We need to select the runtime. Here we are going to select 3.11 because we created Lambda function using Python 3.11. Then we will select create button. So as you can see, successfully created layer docs layer version 3. Version 3 is because I have already tried this 2 times, so this is why the version is 3. Now come back to our Lambda function, then scroll down. So here you have the layers option. Click on the add layer, then select custom layers and choose the layer. So as you can see, we have the docs layer selected and the version 3. Okay, we have only have one version, the version number is 3. Okay, we are going to select it, then add. So as you can see, successfully updated the function test lambda layer. So now we will test this lambda function. Okay, so let's test it. So as you can see, status code 200 and hello from Lambda. So our code is successfully completed. We successfully imported the docs layer. Let's say we want numpy also. I will try import numpy. Let's see what will happen. I will save it and deploy it. And click on test. So we got the same error now because we don't have the module numpy. So if you want numpy, you can follow the same path as I have explained in this video. So in this way you can create a lambda layer and you will not get any type of issues or any type of errors.